This is how high the volleyball net is.
It's taller than me.
Maybe can, you know.
This is the net.
Really. I don't think I can swim in this weather. People are wearing jackets.
Oh, the old lady. Oh my god. So bright.
You wanna adjust first?
Don't want. It looks nice. Like you're in heaven. Hey, die idea.
I've been drinking.
Cannot tell about whatever.
I get hotter when the liquor gets to it. I've been drinking. Seductive. Waiting for mom and dad. They probably fell asleep there. And it's really yes. My hair is flying. My shirt is flying.
Say that again. Cannot hear.
I don't even know if you can hear me. I think I'm screaming. Yeah. We're gonna go zipline maybe across the Pacific Ocean.
Some.
She on me. Ah, you just pushed it forward. We're going down the slope and it needs 3 people. My kotse! Pupunta dito! When I say 3, we all inhale and hold our breath. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Ow! Ow! Sorry. That hurt! Okay. Oh my god.
No one will know it's me.
Look at this piece. Let's pick this. Look at this piece of shit.
Go lah.
You look like a wet dog.
Oh shit. How cold is it? How is it?
Kami ay nasa labas ng aming suite and bumibili sila ng hotdog. Kahit marami ng pagkain din sa bahay.
Yeah, win, quick. This is Kuya in his jacket and he looks really buff. Actually, leave it there. Oh, Chloe, show the real one. The fake one. And this is the real one. And this is the fake one. You look so big. No, I took a picture of myself when she was showering just now after our ikot here, ikot there. Then when you lock, give me the smirk. We had a good laugh about that. Today is our last night here. Today is our last night.
It's a very bad view but whatever lah.